Bitcoin, the OG cryptocurrency, has taken the world by storm. Its value fluctuates like a roller coaster, its potential both hyped and criticized. But one thing's for sure, if you're holding onto some Bitcoin, you might want to know what you can do with it. Today's question: can you send Bitcoin from Gemini? The short answer? Absolutely. But there's a little more to it than just hitting a button and hoping for the best. So, buckle up crypto newbies and veterans looking for a refresher, because we're diving into the world of Bitcoin withdrawals on Gemini. First things first, let's talk about Gemini. It's a cryptocurrency exchange platform, a secure place for you to buy, sell, and store various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, BTC. Think of it like your digital bank for crypto. Now, the beauty of Bitcoin is its ability to be transferred directly between users. It's like sending cash electronically, but without the banks, and sometimes the fees, involved. So, with Gemini acting as your secure vault, it makes sense that you'd want the flexibility to send your Bitcoin elsewhere. Here's where the magic happens: withdrawals. Gemini allows you to send your Bitcoin to other wallets or exchanges. Maybe you want to send it to a friend, use it to make a purchase on a crypto-friendly platform, or transfer it to a different exchange for a wider variety of crypto options. Whatever your reason, Gemini facilitates those Bitcoin moves. But before you get trigger-happy with the withdraw button, there are a few crucial things to consider. Consider this your pre-flight safety check for your Bitcoin voyage. Destination. This might sound obvious, but you'd be surprised. When sending Bitcoin, you need the recipient's wallet address. This is a long string of alphanumeric characters that acts like their unique Bitcoin bank account number. One wrong digit, and your Bitcoin could vanish into the crypto abyss. Double, triple, and quadruple check that address before hitting send. Gemini even allows you to add a label to your withdrawal for easier tracking, a lifesaver for those who juggle multiple transactions. Fees, glorious fees. Unfortunately, nothing in the crypto world is entirely free, yet. There are withdrawal fees associated with sending Bitcoin from Gemini. These fees can fluctuate depending on network traffic and the urgency of your transaction. Think of it like a taxi fare: the busier the network, the higher the cost. Gemini clearly displays the withdrawal fee before you confirm the transaction, so you know exactly what you're paying for. Security first. Gemini takes security seriously, and so should you. Before you can withdraw any Bitcoin, you might need to undergo additional verification steps. This could involve two-factor authentication or a confirmation email. These steps might seem like a hassle, but they're there to protect your hard-earned Bitcoin from unauthorized access. Let's get sending. Alright, you've got the destination address, you've mentally prepared for the fees, and you've passed Gemini's security gauntlet. Now, it's time for the fun part: actually sending your Bitcoin. The specific process might differ slightly depending on whether you're using the Gemini website or mobile app, but the overall steps remain similar. Here's a general breakdown. Log into your Gemini account. Navigate to the withdraw section, might be under account or wallet. Select Bitcoin, BTC, from the list of supported cryptocurrencies. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal amounts set by Gemini. Here comes the crucial part: enter the recipient's wallet address. Remember, triple check for accuracy. You can add a withdrawal label for your own reference. Review the transaction details, including the withdrawal fee. Once everything looks good, confirm the transaction. Gemini might send you a verification code via email or SMS for added security. Enter the code, and voila! Your Bitcoin is on its way to its new destination. Tracking your Bitcoin voyage. Once you've initiated the withdrawal, you can usually track its progress within your Gemini account. The blockchain, the public ledger that records all Bitcoin transactions, will eventually confirm the transfer. This process can take some time, depending on network traffic. A few final words: sending Bitcoin from Gemini is a straightforward process, but it requires caution.